we'll continue with this question. We have been given the half-life, right? The question says that the half-life is this. And we said you have to know that half-life is, if I'm coming from 50 to 25, that's half-life. That's one half-life. From 25 to 12.5, that's another half-life. So it's like you're going to half of what you would be. And you go step by step. You don't say from 50 to 25, 25 to 0. No! 50 to 25, then 25 to half of 25, okay? So it's 25 to 12.5. So you don't say, I'm going to have to keep going down by 50. No, don't ever do that. So if I'm at 100 and I want to see how many half-lives I'd go, let's say I would go 100 to 50. That's one half-life. 50 to 25. That's another half-life. Yes, because 25 is half of 50. Then 25 to 12.5 is another half-life. So it's like you've been saying that. So here we have been told that one half-life is 5,700 years. So fine. Now we need to find how many half-lives actually happen. Because remember, half-life is what it takes to go to half of what you were. Okay. For the activity to reduce by half, or for the, we say the concentration, right? Or I don't know, the amount of substance to reduce by half. So here we had 1.2 atoms. That's what it contains right now. This old object made of wood. Now, right now, it has this amount of atoms. Originally, it contained 9.6. So we would say, okay, from 9, we have 9.6, right, times 10 to the 11. In one half-life, it goes to what? What is half of 9.6? Remember, it's still 10 times 10 to the 11, so the power is not changing. So we'll just say 9.6 divided by 2, we'll get 4.8. So now it will be 4.8 times 10 to the 11. That is after one half-life, okay? Then after another half-life, it will be 4.8 divided by 2. It is now 2.4. times 10 to the 11. This is another half-life, right? Then we say another half-life would be, we want to get to 1.2. So we'd now say, what is 2.4 divided by 2? It's reducing by half, or reducing to half. So now it would go to 1.2 times 10 to the 11. So this is another half-life. So how many half-lives do we now have? 3 half-lives. So determine the time. So we can say time t is equal to 3 t halves, 3 times t half, which is going to be 3 times 5,700 years, because this is the one half-life is what? 5,700, and we had 3 of them, so it is 3 times 5,700, and we'll get 17,100 years. This is the time it took for it to get to where it is, so it's 17,100 years. Let me put this down somewhere a little bit. Let me lower it down so it does not affect us. So what did we get? 17. Did you see? We got 17,100 years. So you just have to find the number of half-lives. Go half by half by half by half. Don't just do one big jump. You can't. Don't. So anyway, this is what you'd get. And this is going to be the thing. Okay? One half-life went to 4.8 from 9.6. The other one from 4.8 to 2.4. The other one from 2.4 to 1.2. So which is where we are right now. So that's what happens. You'll be just going half by half and see how many half-lives. Then you multiply by the time one half-life takes, and then you'd be done. So this is going to be it. It's not a formula. You see, it's not a formula, right? I didn't give you a formula for it. Unit 5, which is nuclear physics. Did I? No. So it's not a formula. This is how you'd get it, and you would be done, all right? You would be done. Now let's keep going. Let's do the next question if there is in the next video. Goodbye for now.